Good morning mga brodies. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa One Pot Shop. Actually, kakatapos ko lang. May binutingting lang tayo sa motor. Yeah, I'd highly recommend this store. If may kailangan kayo for all of your Vespa needs, hanapin nyo si Polo, si Jaja, and si Lawrence, and they'll accommodate you. It's gonna be a lazy Saturday. Tayo ng UP. And yeah, let's make a video for today. Kasi I've been pondering upon making a pilot episode for this channel, and I think now is the perfect time for me to do so. So, tara, samahan niyo ako, kwentuhan tayo. Right mga brodies? Let's go. Alam niyo, dapat mag-ride dapat ako sa Marilake this morning. So I wanted to do this first video. Kaso, nung nandun na ako sa Shell Pugon or sa Shell sa may Marcos Highway, biglang bumuhos na yung ulan. And in as much as gusto ko ituloy, I don't like riding talaga pag umuulan. Kumbaga, risky na nga na pupunta ako ng Marilake kasi apart from my own experience din, may marami akong friends na nadisgrasya na doon. So, kumbaga, delikado na nga pumunta doon. Tapos, sama mo pa ng ulan. E di, parang nangahamon pa ako, ano. So, pass muna yun for today. Sayang, sayang. Pero ngayon, medyo makulimlim lang eh. Mukha namang hindi uulan eh. But, yeah, anyway, it is what it is. Punta tayo ng UP, usap ng konti. Paliparin natin yung drone natin para makakuha tayo ng magandang aerial shots. And, yeah. Panap na. Alam niyo mga brodies, all things said, ang sarap mag-ride ng gantong weather. Yung may haze, yung medyo makulimlim. May 60% chance na hindi uulan, pero there's still that 40. Wala lang. Gusto ko yung ganto. Tipong safe ka mag-ride na naka-t-shirt, tapos hindi ka naman mangingitim, although, yeah. Sarap. Punta tayo sa QMC. UP na tayo.
One eternity later.
Alright, mga brodies, nandito na tayo sa University of the Philippines. Ikot tayo ng isa sa oval, tapos hanap tayo ng pwesto. Pili tayo ng water or something na mainom natin. Park. Labas natin yung drone. Lipat-lipat muna tayo. Right. Let's just enjoy the view for now. So, nakaisang ikot na tayo sa oval. Saan kaya tayo pwesto? Okay, kaya pala matao. There's an event of some sort dito. Pabulaklak pa dito. Ano to? Graduation? Oh. Graduation ceremony in August? Okay, okay. Ano mga brodies, ha? Alright, nakahanap tayo ng pwesto dito. Ngayon, labas natin yung drone. Paliparin natin. Tuhan tayo. Let's go.
But why? Why would you do that? Why would you do any of that?
So, why Vespas? Okay, I've ridden them all na eh. So, scooters, maxi scooters, naked bikes, sports bikes, adventure bikes, you name it, most probably I've driven it na and owned one in the past. Now, the reason why nag-stick sa akin ang Vespa was that a few years back, I bought a second-hand Vespa LX150 IE. Tapos, pre-project ko siya. Tapos, isa sa mga best friends ko, inawitan niya sa akin. And, yung time na yun, hindi ko rin masyado ginagamit. And I could use the money din naman. So, binigay ko sa kanya. Well, I sold it to him. And after that, the moment na sinampa na namin siya sa pickup niya and umalis siya, instant regret. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, kukuha ko ulit ng Vespa. Pero I was very strict sa gusto kong Vespa. So, it had to be a Primavera, it had to be relaxed green, and it had to have yung brown seat na to. And I was looking for a second-hand one, and yung prices kasi that time were pretty good eh. So sabi ko, sige, nag-set ako ng budget, and I met si Julius who sold me this scooter. And from then on out, wala. Na-in love na ako. As in, I do ride other bikes as well, pero ito talaga yung constant ko. So, in as much as mag-ride ako ng mga ibang motor, expect that this, yung majority na makikita nyo sa channel na to is this Vespa. And yeah, that's why.
A few moments later.
So I did mention na may mga little grants tayo. So ito yung fish mo na kinain natin. Sarap naman siya, despite yung sauce lasang good varnish. Chilling lang tayo sa sunken garden. So, yeah, I've mustered up the courage to do these kinds of videos. Actually, I've been putting it off now for like a decade. And you can do it! Since I've already invested in the equipment, since I've already invested time on this, yung pagsustoryboard din, yeah, pati nga yung software and everything on editing. So, might as well, tuloy ko na. And yung why kung bakit ko ito ginagawa is I'm getting married na kasi. Damn! Tapos I plan to have a family and I want to record all of this, mga adventures ko, yung mga learnings, para pagdating ng araw na when I have kids and they get to see these videos sa platform na to, they'll be like, wow, si dad yun, no? Mga ganun. So expect two-wheel adventures, yung experiences natin along the way, syempre occasional rants, tapos siguro some wisdom I wish I knew earlier para ma-impart ko rin sa inyo, and I'd like to learn from you guys also. So good vibes lang tayo palagi sa comments, and yeah, let's see where it goes from here.
So yeah, this is me starting something I should have done a long time ago. And if you're into real stories, clean rides, and raw perspective, stick around lang mga brodies. Anyway, this is my pilot episode pa lang eh. So expect more episodes to come. And if you like these kinds of video, if you have any inputs or comments, yeah, just put them down in the comment section. Pwede kayo mag-like, pwede kayo mag-subscribe. Again, no pressure, good vibes lang tayo lahat dito. And it feels so liberating na I get to do this na. I've woken up. Kumbaga, I have a different perspective on life. I have a different take on things. And I'd like to share that to you and to the world and to you, my future kids.
Nice.
So, nakaalis na tayo sa Betaway. Nakapag-shoot tayo sa ibang area kanina. Ngayon, try ko take ng snippets ng Vespa dito kasi nakahanap ako ng magandang spot eh. Right, park lang muna ako mga brodies.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Jump rock, jump with the thugs and jump at. Crown up in a van back. It's in a your handbag, your knapsack, it in a your backpack. This melody your girlfriend contact.
So, kanina kasi sa Betaway, pinalis tayo doon. So, apparently, bawal pala magpalipad ng drone doon ng basta-basta. Pero maayos naman sinabi sa atin ni Kuya Guard. Kala ko mabuboljack tayo eh. Delix! So, right now, we're on our way back home. Kasi may lakad kami ni Kina tonight. We're going to watch block screening of Freakier Friday. So, it's for a cause. Actually, si Kina yung bumili ng ticket kasi yung mom ng friend niya is sick. Tapos, in order to raise funds, nagpa-block screening na lang sila. Ayun. So, kanina sa isang clip natin, I was talking about yung purpose of this channel because this is our pilot episode after all. And yeah, in a nutshell, that's it naman. In summary dun sa clip na yun kanina, this is just me starting something that I should have done years ago. Hit like, subscribe. I want to hear your thoughts, pero sana good vibes lang. Ayoko mabash dito eh. And yeah, thank you so much if you've gotten this far. And I appreciate it. So looking forward to the next videos. I'll keep improving, not just the videos but myself din para I could entertain you guys. And basically that's it from my end. So ayun, ride na ako pauwi. Be safe everyone. So those na nag-ride, always ride safe. Be prudent. See you on the next one. Peace!